now trying to make a loop without loop. So there are two kinds of functions in the PHP and mostly any programming language. So they are named iterative and recursive. So we would like to export or print the star in a loop. So first of all, I want to make a PHP file and call the loop star.php without any loop. So okay, PHP, we have the syntax of the PHP, and you have to make sure clear that you're working with the PHP. So the first thing is we have to make some stars. There are stars two things, two items. Can I enlarge it a bit? Two items. The number one is line loop, and another one is star looping. And so before making it recursively, I would like to make it iterative. So we have to make function star count. So variable count, and there's a lot of things coming that, and for I equal 1, I less than equal count, I double plus. So that's for line, and j1, j less than equal count, j double plus. Second line is for printing stars. So we check star. That's one thing is j less than equal I, because our program is 1 to php star.php. Okay, oh sorry, star, there's a function star 5. Okay, the star, and there's stars are exported and echo in a web. You can use a break line. Okay, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One first line, second first line, third first line, fourth line, and the fifth, 5 stars on the fifth line. Okay, so we make a, before we have to making a star, we have to make like a Fibonacci function. We want to remove these two lines of looping. Function star, and we must remove one thing. So before running to that, we have to check j, and then we can run it again. You see 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before running that, we have to make sure we like to comment out everything. Okay, so one thing we should know is if count greater than equal 1, you can go in the loop, or count equal 1, return 1. Okay, else return star of count minus 1, and then echo to make it looping so clear. Okay, so because of the stars 1, there's no echoing thing, so return star count plus 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 9, 9 to 12, 14, 15. That's seriously cool, and dot 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's a one thing in here, and then we have to may I remove that. Okay, So there's a lot clear now. Okay, and now we can see that return 1, the 5 4 3 2 1, and then here is another loop, is the star string equal dash, and then there is a nothing coming in, and a comma and star. You can put it star, and there's a count equal run. We then return, and there's no return of 1. There's a star, which means a star. There's a 1 star is coming there. There's a star. There's a 5, and then there is 5. So we can show in detail in here. So echo star 5 star of 5, and then star of 5 star dot star of 4, and then star dot star of 3, and star dot star of 2, and the last one star 1, and finally star and star. This one is our desired output. So before doing that, we have to check that one is really compatible for this one. Okay, to print, the one thing we have to print is star, but they're showing no star so far. So we're trying to make, you see there's a 1 is we put in the star on here, 5 4 3 2 1 is star, and you can see that you can reverse that one count. Okay, if there's a count, return star, else star string dot equal star, and then return star string and count star string. So we see that 5 star. You can see that it says the real one is star is currently none, and star string equal count. So we can see that 5 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 star. Okay, so we can check and backslash r to more clear thing. 5 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 star. If you're trying to do this, not really reach our destiny. When the star string and the star string equal to count and the star string, so at 5 it is there's a false. This was a 5. Yes, a 5, and then in here is we don't need anything. It is an overriding statement. Star string. Let's say you could try again. 5 5 4 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 star. Count equal 1. Return star string dot 1. Okay, have a look at it. 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2, and then 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 1 in here. How? Because sorry, it is because in here we don't have anything right in here, and I put in here 5 4 5 5 4 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 1, and the number 1 is showing equally there's a no single time there is a no then any string star equal to count, and I would like to remove that thing because we don't want to show in actually. So with star string we would like to edit is only star, so we change converted to star 1 2 3 4 5. There is one thing I see in here is there's an extra backslash and backslash r, because in here is we are putting in front, so we would like to remove that one thing. So we have to check backslash n backslash r is in front, so we would like to remove that thing. Okay, we like to remove by cutting out in here and put it in there, and we should try now, and then we should see. Okay, it's broke. Star and the backslash and backslash r, Control X, and the dot. We should try another one. Save then. Okay, broke again. So we should try in here. Okay, going back then. The first one is showing backslash and backslash r, and the star string there's nothing, and the second one is yes, I have wrong places in here because I have to put in there. We should make it star backslash and backslash r. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and the backslash and backslash r number 1 is making that thing. Okay, so this is really cool. Okay, you can see that our resolve is solved. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So you can look at the star string into the count. Okay, you can see that 5 5 4 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, that's a noun. Our problem is solved. I'll going back to star, and then you can see that 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. PHP started PHP by 1 2 3 4 5, but the code is not really cool. There is multiple comments, and we should remove the comments. And we should try making this. You can see that's a count 1 is a star string, or return star string backslash and backslash r start count. So we can minimize one thing. Return count equal 1. This is correct. Star string dot n r, or star string dot n r dot star count -1 and star string. Let's have a look. Okay, there's an error in there. Should see, oh sorry, because it's equal in there 1 2 3 5, but is noun is cool as one thing, but that's not very cool because you should look at this, star string, and then we should minimize another one, and the star string and the backslash and backslash are the same. Am I right? And star string dot y in here backslash n backslash r. It broke, I think, but it's really similar thing, isn't it? Star string dot. Okay, let's check. No, because star string, it removes everything. It's multiple lines, and then return the string dot count 1, and then you should add nothing or star. So one thing is not clearly working very well. So string message count 1 equal or, and then you should try this one. Okay, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is currently working now. And then there is a star string, and you can see there's one thing, and I would like to remove star string dot equals star. So I'm thinking that you can see that I can clearly see that why I cannot add this one like this. Should comment it out. No, you cannot. The dot equal star. Then there's another way. Yep. And so we can remove the star. Then okay, in here you can see that there's a one line that's return everything a star string, and the star is embedded everywhere, and there's a star string and echo 5, and we can try into 50. That's working well. It's really working well. So there's an idea credit belongs to my teacher, and it's really cool, and I can now work on that code. And thank you, appreciate and everybody for watching these YouTube tutorials. And you can have a look, and you can subscribe to my channel, and you can watch a lot of my video uploaded before. And if you have any suggestion, and if you have anything to talk to, please comment it below. And you can follow on YouTube, on Twitter, and Facebook. Also subscribe my channel and get notification for newly fresh things. Thank you.